How to add another Gmail account on Android phone. If any day you would like to add another Gmail account in your Android phone but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Gmail on your mobile device. For that, you can go to the Google X section on your mobile device and then you can tap on the option of the Gmail like this. After you tap on the option of the Gmail will be launched on your mobile device. And now first thing that we have to make here is that you have to make sure that you have not added more than 10 of the accounts on your mobile device, because if you have added more of the 10 of the accounts on your mobile device, you cannot add the another account. But if you have not done it so, you have to tap on your profile like section and then go to the option of add another account. After you tap on add another account, you have to then go to the option of the Google like this. After you tap on the option of the Google like this, you have to wait for a while until the next interface appears. You also need to make sure that your very internet connection is stable, that maybe your data connection or your very Wi-Fi connection as well. Now you also need to verify your identity. You can just use your very fingerprint, otherwise you can also use the very pattern there, which is a pattern. So after you use the very pattern, you can see that the very next interface will open. You have to wait for a while because that's all the problem of the internet connection out there, and all of the information will also be checked. So after you wait for a while, you can also see a very black screen sometimes, and do not worry, that is not the problem. So after you wait for a while, the next interface is that you have to just add on your very email or the phone there. Sometimes what may happen is you may have forget your email. You can tap on forget your email and just add your email or by your any of your phone number there. So after that, you can go and just you can add on your email or the phone number through which you have made your very Gmail account there. And then you can go to the option of the next, and then tapping on the next, you can keep on your password there and do the done. And this way your very Gmail account will be added on the Gmail on your Android phone. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.